In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off comments on Facebook posts. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to facebook.com in your web browser. Once you're on Facebook, find the post you want to manage. This is important because the comment settings are controlled on a post-by-post basis, and the options you see can vary depending on whether it's a personal profile post or a Facebook page post. When you've found the post, look for the three dots in the top right corner of that post and tap or click on them. This opens the Post Options menu, where Facebook places moderation and management tools. If the option is available, select Who can comment on your post. Facebook may then give you a few different choices for who is allowed to comment. These usually include public, friends, and profiles and pages you mention. Public allows anyone who can see the post to comment. Friends limits commenting to your Facebook friends. And profiles and pages you mention is the most restrictive of these options, since it limits comments to only the people or pages you tagged in the post. After you choose the setting you want, your changes are usually saved automatically, so there's no separate save button to worry about. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're viewing your own post and not someone else's, since comment controls are only available to the person managing the post. It's also important to know that on most personal Facebook profile posts, Facebook does not let you completely disable comments. In many cases, the best you can do is limit who can comment by choosing the most restrictive option available. If you're managing a Facebook page instead of a personal profile, the process is similar, but you may have a stronger moderation option. Open your page and find the post you want to manage. Then tap or click the three dots on that post. If the feature is available for your page, choose Turn Off Commenting or a similar comment management option. After that, confirm your choice if Facebook asks you to. Keep in mind that this feature is not available on every page, and Facebook may show different tools depending on your page type and its current settings. And that's how to turn off comments on Facebook posts, or at least limit them as much as Facebook allows.